You mentioned nuclear families getting smaller and smaller. I don't think they could get much smaller. Do you think that the single parent situation is healthy, or would you think it better for the children to live with both parents? My experience as single mum is that I can't meet all the demands. I can understand the difficulties of the single parent, nuclear family setup, yeah? And probably it would be better, that both parents were living together. But if that was for any reason not possible, yeah? Perhaps because, of the incompatibility of the parents, for one reason or another. Or perhaps because, one of them had found another partner. Well, at least there should be, the surrogate father. I mean, it is usually, of course, the single mum who experiences the difficulties. At least should be a surrogate father, sort of cultural father, in the way that I've suggested a little while ago, if contact with the biological father isn't possible, yeah?